Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Again this video we are going to focus a short straddle trading strategy. So how we can select a stock for a short straddle trading strategy. Today, is there any stock which present as per our analysis? That stocks we are going to discuss about how we can make the short straddle and what kind of management is secured for the short straddle that we are going to discuss in this video. Let's move to the video now. So basically based on that ADX, so we are always picking the stock for a short straddle because ADX is a non-directional indicator and also telling you the strength of the stock. So what we are going to do, again we are searching for a stock which is forms below that ADX below 20 or 25. So when we select the ADX is crossed below 25, so that how it created the ADX is going down from above 25. So it is now just coming down today, and previously it was trading more than 25 and today it crossed below 25. That much of stock we are going to filter out. So the stock which we are get right now, it's Tata Power Company. So let's take the study about Tata Power on the chart now. So let's take Tata Power. Okay, that is what Tata Power, and recently it is also trading. Previously was in a range bound from the month of June and July. Also it is very narrow range. We are taking a July from first of July, which is starting around 122, or the closing price of the stock is 121.35, and almost the expiry gone. The 1 month is gone, and again the stock is which is trading around 120. So if you are doing a straddle on the stock when you are doing, but that time the premium of that ADX is a little bit higher, and then on the July first of July it's around trading around 22 only. It is below 25. So, but previously it is around 27. Now it is coming back to 25 below. So we are taking for a this August contract. But what happened in July contract, because July it started initially in the range bound, and how the premium is decayed in the particular Tata Power. Let's take the premium is around the stock is around 120. Let's take the option prices of Tata Power 120 call option on July, and same Tata Power 120 put option on option Tata Power 120. So here combined premium straddle chart which is plotted here, and the first of this July contract, the premium which is trading around almost 11 rupees. Now the total premium value is just 1.7. From 11 rupees the total premium is wiped out from this stock because of the stock is not moving anywhere. It was trading in a narrow range. So when the market trades in a narrow range, the total premium which is present in an ATM straddle, that is going to decay. So that is the time value decay. It's completely, it goes down the time value. When you take the position, the premium is around 11.35 and it moves maximum of 12.25. So that is that straddle, it's not giving you any deviation from your entry point. It will not give you any against movement. So we didn't get any chances of big losses on that, but it is keep on going down, and the total premium of the stock is total is gone. The total value of the premium is goes to. And Tata Power lot size, let's check on NSE. I hope that this may be a more lot. So around 6,000 rupees is the lot size of Tata Power. Let's check with NSE. 6750. Almost we got the premium is over 11 rupees, more than 60,000. The premium is dropped from at least last 1 month. If you are having the margin required to do the trade is around 1 lakh or 2 lakh, sorry, 3 lakh or 4 lakhs. Let's try to find out what is the margin required for the trade to make a short straddle. Try to Tata Power. Try 120. Again, this is for a August contract, which we are going to apply it for now. So what is the premium which required now? The call premium is 6 rupees. I made a short, and the put premium is trading 4.7. Now the premium of both the stock is around 10 rupees. So the maximum profit for the trade is around 69,000, where you got the break even around 130.5, and in breakdown is around 109.5. So you got a cushion around some 10 rupees from this particular part. We require the margin to trade this position is around 3 lakh rupees is the required margin. So once last month that gives you more than 60,000 rupees profit compared to 3 lakh capital, that is around 30% return, which generative very easiest way. But the selection of the stock is very important. So now we are doing the selection. So the August contract premium is trading around 10.75. Let's take the straddle chart here. Tata Power 120 August call and Tata Power 120 August put option. So now the premium is which is trading around 10.75. Then you can see the closing price is around 10 rupees 75 paisa, where you can see that the total premium is around 10.75, right? So the 10 rupees 75 paisa is the premium is right now. So if you are focusing this straddle, so you got some 10-20% result, and we have already know how we can manage the trade. We discussed about our previous trades. Our previous video we tell you that how to manage that kind of straddle if it is goes wrong. So we are talking about a stop loss for an individual leg or combined premium stop loss. We can make any one of this, but as per the charts, it is coming to the again below 25 of ADX. So there will be a chances the stock may go in a range bound. And if you check that a higher level about the stock is 130 and maximum peak is around 133. For the low is 116. So how many days the stock was in range bound? Let's check it out. From this is the range of the stock where it is trading is around 115 and 133. So that is what maximum the stock is trading in a range bound from almost 50 from 15th June. So the very narrow range trading. So whenever market breaks above that level, so even we can plan for exit from the trade. Until unless, so we will keep the positions, we will be getting some good opportunity to make the time premium from that straddle of 120 the strike prices. And this should be the best one which we can focus for a next month straddle, that will always give you some good profit. So we know the management, how we can manage either if the market goes in a single direction. So that time we should keep carry that position where if it is goes up, so we may be exiting call. If it is goes down, we may be exiting put. But it is not giving you big movement. So if it is a trading range bound, so we can keep the stop loss for a on premium level. So that is another good opportunity where we are focusing for a short straddle kind of strategy. That is the great stock. So you can focus, and you can try to do that. Okay. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. And if you like this video, like and share to your friends. If you have any questions, you just comment on this comment box and we will discuss about your comment. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.